We've seen how Podman can be both a drop-in replacement for Docker, but also a unique tool of its own. You can use Podman as a local development tool, or you could also use it to run containers on servers. It's perfectly capable to do both of these tasks. While being as powerful and feature-complete as Docker, Podman has a couple of downsides, which, ironically, come from the Docker's popularity. The obvious one is the focus on Linux. You can still use it on other operating systems, but you need a Linux virtual machine. The other disadvantage is when you're trying to use other tools from the containers ecosystem. Every now and then you will find a tool that is simply hard-coded to work with Docker only. Technically, such tool is totally capable of working with Podman or any other OC-compliant container manager, but for historical reasons, those tools would expect you to have Docker. Every time you encounter such tool, makes Podman less attractive to you, and the only solution is to patch those other tools to be Dockerless. If you have a Linux workstation, you should give Podman a try and see how long you can survive without missing Docker. Chances are that you will rarely feel like you miss anything, and features like rootless containers and pods will only extend your container management capabilities. Now let's talk about one more container manager.
There are no challenges that we couldn't overcome. Whether it is immediate infrastructure problems or planning a future project, we won't simply answer your questions. We become a part of your team to help you complete the mission. Our solutions consider the interests of your business and the combined expertise of the industry, as our staff is made up of more than a dozen experts in different areas who share decades of field-tested experience and knowledge with you.